If we see undigested food like seeds, does that mean we're not absorbing those nutrients?
I assume by "see" you mean, in the place on the other side after it's made its way through the digestive tract and then is being discarded, uh,
Yes,
uh,
correct.
in through some water, perhaps with a little handle that makes a flushing sound. I'm assuming this is what we're asking.
Yes, yes.
Not necessarily. So for example, when you see if you eat corn on the cob and you see what looks like intact corn kernels uh, in the other place, floating, if you will. Actually, what you're seeing is the very like cellulose rich husk of the corn. All of the nutrients inside you have actually digested. So you're actually only seeing like it's like a shadow of what you ate. You actually did get most of the nutrients from that corn. With seeds, you're probably seeing a small fraction of them that weren't chewed very thoroughly. So a lot of, especially small seeds like sesame seeds, if they're not broken, so our enzymes can't get inside, they have like a coating on the outside that resists digestion, so they can pass through relatively unscathed. But the ones that you chewed more probably did get more fully digested. So you're only seeing a small fraction of them. So, like as a general rule, like seeing seeds or corn, or like the color of beets, that's pretty normal to see. Just because beets have so much phytonutrient pigment that even if a little bit is left undigested, it can completely change the color of the contents in the flushing place. So seeing that is not an area of concern. It's when you're seeing more easily digested foods turn up intact. Like if you see, like you had a bowl of chicken vegetable soup and you're still seeing the whole pieces of carrot, like that should get digested on the way through. You might see that if you've been sick and your digestive system is still recovering, but if you're seeing that in normal times, that's worth talking with your doctor, and saying, "Hey, I'm seeing the things," and that could be a variety of different things. It could be anywhere from gallbladder disease, pancreatic, like it could be just high stress, right? So like there's tons of things, and anything from super benign to diagnostics required. So yeah, so if you're seeing more easily digested foods like cooked vegetables other than corn, that would definitely be worthwhile having a conversation with your doctor. But don't take a picture and send it to your doctor. A verbal description is fine.